guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I just wanted to update you guys on like a few things that I'm going to be doing with this channel. So obviously you have noticed that I've been putting in a little bit more effort, if you will, to this channel because I'm really trying to, because I like doing it. So I wanted to give you like a little schedule update that I'm going to be doing for the channel. So my goal right now is to try to post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays around 12 p.m. on those days. So I'm going to try to get up at least 3 videos a week. Excuse me. Okay, at least 3 videos a week. I'm debating on whether I want to make them themed based on the day of the week. Like a Makeup Mondays where I talk about like makeup products and things like that. And then have a Weight Loss Wednesday to where I talk about stuff like strictly workout related, weight loss videos, things like that. And then Friday, I was gonna call that a Freaky Friday where I did just any random video like today. So that's where I'm at right now with that. So this video, I don't know when it will go up, but obviously the plan didn't happen until now. So for this following week, the week of the 27th of January, my posting schedule will stay Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that's where I'm at. If you guys have any input on that, let me know. And if I should just keep it random videos throughout my whole channel, like just things that people tell me to record or need advice on or want this or that, I could do that. Or I could keep it completely structured and do makeup only on Mondays, weight loss on Wednesdays, and then like a random different kind of video on Fridays. I haven't figured it out yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but for today's video, that was just the little intro that I had. I wanted to talk to you guys about a fun special day of the year. Some people hate this and some people love this. So I'm going to be talking to you guys today about Valentine's Day ideas. So Valentine's Day, I like Valentine's Day. I do not hate the holiday. I feel like with people, you either hate the holiday or you love this holiday. I love this holiday. I think it's a great way to have people be positive and spread love throughout the year. If we have to have a day to freaking do that, then I think we should. If this is the only day you are nice to somebody, then yes, I think it's a great idea. So I want to give you guys some ideas of what you can do on Valentine's Day with your special someone. So the first thing is to plan a weekend getaway. Valentine's Day is a good excuse to get away for a short amount of time without feeling bad about it. So if you have a significant other or your mom or your cat or whoever and you want to take them somewhere for Valentine's Day just to show that you love them, I think that's a great idea. There's a lot of places like around me that are like romantic getaway spots, but they book out like a year in advance. So that's another thing you have to be sure of, is that 1, you have the money to do so, 2, where you want to go is available. But that is a good idea as a weekend getaway with your significant other. Next, this is for anybody who's planning on getting married. I think that Valentine's Day is a great way to do an engagement. It's a day of love, so why not propose to somebody? If you're obviously, if you've already been thinking about it, you just don't know when. Valentine's Day is a great day to do that. So that's another thing you can do, is plan your engagement if you're planning on asking somebody. A simple one is going out to dinner, just spending time with that person and sharing a meal is a good way to spend Valentine's Day, I think. It's one of the cheaper options, which brings me to my next point. If you are limited on funds and don't have money to, you know, get engaged for one, to go away for the weekend, stay at home for a movie night. Just have a nice night alone at home with your significant other. If you are trying to get a gift for somebody and you don't have a lot of funds, flowers are always good for a girl. Guys are a little different, but I would say sticking around the chocolate theme is always cute. Just like exchanging boxes of chocolate. I think that's a very nice, cheap gesture if you're limited on funds. If you're not limited on funds, you can always go with jewelry, or even for a guy and girl, jewelry on Valentine's Day is usually pretty acceptable. But yeah, and then the next, if you are limited on time and you don't have any time to spend with someone, write them a poem or write them a love letter, or just show them something that you know will make them feel better on Valentine's Day. So if you do have a girlfriend or boyfriend or whoever, and you don't have any time to spend with them because your life is just way too busy, write them something, send them a letter. Anything homemade is always a great way to get somebody's attention. I like that a lot. I think that means more than anything store-bought, cards included. So yeah, those are my little notes on what to do for Valentine's Day. So this video is kind of random. It's going up today, Friday. So don't forget my schedule that I told you guys about, and all of the Valentine's Day ideas I gave for you guys. If you have any other ideas that I didn't mention that are pretty unique, drop them down in the comment section. I would love to read about them. And I will see you guys on Monday for my video. Maybe it'll be a makeup video, maybe it won't be. We shall see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications to be notified for when I post videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.